Hi everyone, I have Dolly mail. If you've watched any of my videos, then you probably know that there's a Fakie Blythe doll in here. And in fact, if you haven't seen it yet, I have recently posted a video that shows all of my Blythe dolls, all the Neo-size Blythe dolls. That includes customized, Fakie, and stock dolls. I will make sure to put a link here in the cards and also down below if you haven't seen it yet. But I realized the other day I had not purchased a new to me Fakie Blythe doll in quite some time, and I had actually bought a few and sold them in my store about a year ago in my Etsy shop. And there was one particular doll that I ended up selling, and I really kind of regretted it, so I went looking for her again, for a doll that was similar to her, and I found one. So here are the hands that she comes with, obviously dark skinned, and here's the little doll. Alright, so let's take a look at her. That's all I got, nothing else. I didn't expect anything else. A little swag would have been nice, but that's okay. You never know. I'm sure things are pretty tight these days too. So we've got the bubble wrap off of her. Ooh, look at that hair. Yes, yes. So this looks a lot like the doll I had bought, like I said, probably about a year ago, and I really liked her, but I had bought her with the purpose of selling her as a supply in my Etsy shop, and so I did not let myself keep her. And that doll actually came on a traditional body, not the jointed body, and this girl comes on a jointed body. Let's get her card. But yeah, she is really, really cute. Look at that hair. It's very soft. Let me get her little plastic off of her. Alright, so she moves. Everything looks like it works well. Yeah, nice body. A little stiff. Not too bad, though. Oh, yes. Look at that hair. Love it. Alright, and see, let's check out her face. So those eye chips look like gray, which I do like those. Woo! Very blue. Gorgeous. Like a side amber color. Not really, sort of a brown. I guess it's more brownish. Orangey brownish. And then front facing pink. Not my faves. I know I could change them out. I really don't know. I don't know if I have plans to customize her or not at this point. I just, like I said, I remembered I really liked that doll, and I thought, you know, I wonder if there's doll's still available. And I found this one, which was very similar, except for the body's different. But otherwise, yeah, she still has that really dark skin that I liked. I thought she was going to be darker than she is, but I'm okay with that. She's got her little earring holes. Yeah, she's really, really cute. Oh my goodness. Love the hair, love the hair. Alright, so I'm going to find something for her to wear and be right back and show you what she looks like all dressed up. Because, of course, when you buy a Fakie doll through Aliexpress, you do not get any clothing. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Let's see what she looks like in something really cute. Alright, I'm back. I got her some undies to wear, but then you know what? I was digging through my clothing and I thought it would be cute if I put her in this little pineapple princess stock outfit. And if I do that, then that means no undies because these pants are like crazy tight. And they may not even fit because she's, oh, you know what? They may not fit her, but let me put the top on. If they don't fit her, I can get her another pair of pants. But I thought the yellow would look really cute on her. Let's see. I don't want to take her hands off if I can help it. Nope, don't have to. Cool. Yeah, look at that. Let me fluff out her hair a little bit more too. There you go. Alright, let's see if these are better. I'm guessing not. I totally spaced out when I pulled these out. These are quite form-fitting. Yeah, that's a no. That's a no-go. Alright, I'll be back. Let me see if I can find some other shorts or jeans or something for her to wear. Alright, I went and looked around and I found this cute little skirt that I think would look really adorable with this. And I pulled out these little shoes, these white sort of earth shoes looking to me. So that means we definitely need to put some undies on this girl. All right. Oh, there's sunglasses. Yep. Let me put the sunglasses in her hair. There we go. All right. So, I like the outfit. I don't know. This skirt. Something's up with the skirt here. What does it do with that little flippy thing? It probably needs another snap down here. Alright, so cute. I like it. I like her. She's going to be a lot of fun. She will be working in the Dolly sewing room with me as a model, of course. And I don't know, maybe we'll take her on a few adventures. I need to think of a name for her. I haven't thought of one yet, so let me know in the comments below. Do you think of, what does she look like? Give me some name ideas. Yeah, we'll see. I'll have to think about what to name this new girl. Like I said, I thought she was going to be quite a bit darker. In fact, there's Malibu over here, if you want to do a comparison. So yeah, kind of interesting. I thought she would be much darker. I do really like her, but yeah, she's not as dark as the original doll that I had sold. So I don't know, but I really, really like her. She's going to be a lot of fun to play around with. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below about this new Fakie doll in my collection, and give me some name ideas. You guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Thanks for stopping by. Of course, I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. Bye-bye.